A few days ago, I'd said that I have a feeling that lockdown might not get extended, but officially, I can stop with the whole feeling thing because it's clearly not working out for me. Lockdown has been extended by the Odisha government to April 30th, and now Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also hinted to the party legislature members that lockdown may be extended beyond April 14th. Well, no matter what, you will keep getting the daily dose of sports updates. Here they are. This one is the Bridge exclusive. FC Goa captain Mandar Rao Desai is likely to join Mumbai City FC. It was only yesterday when we reported that Goa's midfielder Ahmed Jahu is about to close a deal with the Islanders, and now the captain himself is making the shift. If the report stands true, then it will be the third member from Goa's end to make an exit and shift to Mumbai FC. Earlier, coach Lobera had also decided to go with the Islanders. World Athletics Championship is now set to be held in the year 2022. Like I had earlier said, that with the postpone of Olympics to next year, a lot of events will clash with the scheduled dates for Olympics, and World Athletic Championships was one among them. So, the World Organization decided to postpone Athletics Championship by a year. Now with the recent development, this event is scheduled from 15th July to 24th July in the year 2022. Indian tennis legends Mahesh Bhupathi and Leander Paes have ruled hearts for years, and even today they are in news as the former shows affection for the Olympic medalist. Leander Paes came up with this challenge on Twitter called the Frying Pan Challenge, where he's seen hitting the tennis ball without even looking at it with a frying pan. To this, Bhupathi affectionately replied that this guy can volley with anything. This left their fans rekindle their memories of the duo playing together. Wrestler Deepak Punia lends his helping hand to the slum dwellers in his district. He is making effort for the slum dwellers in Jhajjar area of Haryana so that these people can get 2 meals per day. Known for his stellar performance at World Junior Championships and World Championships, he is now fighting this battle to deliver food and reach out to the people in help. Paralympic Committee won't seek International Olympic Committee's help to solve its cash flow problem. The cash flow problem actually increased due to Tokyo Olympics and Paralympics being postponed to next year. International Paralympic Committee's president Andrew Parsons says that he is trying to chop off 5% of the total budget. These were the sports highlights of the day. Don't forget to like and share our video.